Hi guys, it's Miss Swain again, and I am here to show you the steps that we would take to get our STL file in a format that it could be 3D printed. So what we do is we put it on a software that's called a slicing software. So we have already exported in the last video our file, and we saved it as the STL, and when we did that, it went to our download section. You can see down here where it's in the downloads, but if for some reason you can't find it, you could also search for the title of it. So I'm going to go to downloads, and here we see our file, first name, last name, heart. It is in our downloads. So when we open up our software and we're ready to load a new project, we'll go to this file and it will take us to this section. There's our file that we want to load, and open it up. And I'm going to rotate this down a little bit just so you can see a little bit better angle. There is our 3D print STL file. So now we need to slice it so that it can determine the path that needs to be taken. And it's estimating it will take 8 minutes. So we can do a preview here, and it will show you the path that it will take. You can actually watch it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Alright, it looks like it's beginning the layers on the outside heart shape now, the edges first. Then it will fill in the middle part, just like icing a cake, a line at a time. And of course this simulation is moving much faster than what our 3D printer will move, so it won't take just a few more seconds before it's complete. And our actual 3D printer would take a full 8 minutes, probably more like 10 minutes, because it has to make sure that the temperatures are to the starting level, and it just takes a little bit longer for it to move than what usually this software estimates. But anyway, that is the most logical path that the computer software found for it to take to do the print as quick as it could. So then we will save it to file, and that will be on a removable disk, which I will then insert into our 3D printer and load it from that SD card onto the printer, and we'll push start print, and 10 minutes later we have our print ready to be scraped off of the plate and held in your hand, a 3D object. Alright, so that is how we use the slicing software to prepare something for 3D printing. You do not have to do this step. This is something that I do for you, but I wanted you to be aware of how to do it. So I hope you remember that and learned a lot from it. Thanks.